Welcome back to Mom MD Hawaii, where we're doing our countdown to Christmas crafting. 3 days left until Christmas. Today we're going to do how to iron on to surf shorts using heat transfer vinyl, or also known as iron-on. This material was got from Cricut, and this is everyday iron-on in the color of white. These surf shorts were bought from Old Navy, and I really like this Hawaiian print pattern. Here in Hawaii, we can wear surf shorts all year round, so they make really great gifts, and my kids wear them throughout the year. And so first we're going to put our Teflon sheet and place our heat press at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. I have the EasyPress, which works great for these projects. You can also use a home iron and put it at the high hot cotton setting. And after 15 seconds, we're going to remove that Teflon sheet and then carefully remove that clear carrier / transfer sheet that is on the back of your iron-on. So just removing it carefully. And to really make your design stick, you repeat this process again with a Teflon sheet and ironing it on, or using a heat press or easy press again for 320 degrees for another 15 seconds. Just watching it count down, just putting firm, even pressure onto the project. I do have an easy press mat in between the material underneath it so that it will help hold in the heat and force it back toward your project, so you get a really good adhesion of the transfer vinyl. This is the finished project. You can see my design, and here's a close-up of that same design, and you can tell that it's really well adhered. This is another design I did with a Ninjago eyes, and then that same design with one of my son's friends' names. Thank you for watching Mom MD Hawaii. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more crafty videos. Thank you.